Good morning, students. Today we see fertilization process. So first of all, what do you mean by fertilization? Your fertilization involves your fusion of gametes. That is, one is your male gametes and one is your female gametes. Fusion of male gametes and to produce a diploid zygote. It's called fertilization. मम्मी पापा फ्यूजन हो गया, बेटा हो गया. सिंपल लैंग्वेज में फर्टिलाइजेशन हो गया. ओके, अब ये कहाँ पे होता है? वेयर इज आवर? इट्स ओपन इन योर यूटेरस. The baby you are born in your uterus. Okay, so fertilization involves three steps. There is your movement of sperm towards egg, your entry of sperm into the egg, last is your activation of ovum and the fusion of egg and sperm. So first of all we see movement of sperm towards the egg, how it movement. So let me tell you, when there is a ovulation process, so you ejaculate the semen. So in the semen there are number of sperms in the semen and it just get a liquefied. It just get a liquefied, that is like your water, so it's easily going to the vagina. So when it releases the semen, it contains a lot of sperms. Okay, so when it get to the vagina, so there is a 50% of sperm you are destroyed. Your 50% of sperm are get destroyed, demolished or deteriorated. You can also say the 50% are remaining. They are produced further process in your vagina. So they have the capacity of to be there, and it's having life of 5 to 6 hours. Okay, so what happened when a sperm releases here? The 50% of sperm became more extra active. They became more extra active to be there, and they movement to uterus, vagina to uterus. They are momenting upward directions from vagina to where I can doubt. Okay, from vagina to uterus, it's go inside for the further fertilization process. Now the rate of sperm is 1.5 to 3 mm per minute. It's very slow process of to getting the sperm into the vagina process for the further fertilization is there. And the prostaglandin hormone, what it does, it enhancing or infusing it to get the sperm upward to the uterus to get your fertilization process, and it will be there for 20 to 48 hours. The sperm will be there for 20 to 48 hours. Next is your entry of sperm into the egg. How the sperm enter into the egg? इसमें क्या होता है? मैंने बताया था 400 मिलियन स्पर्म रहते हैं एक सीमेन के अंदर. 400 मिलियन स्पर्म. अब यहाँ पे आ गया. अब इसमें तो पूरा तो जाएगा नहीं. इसमें से 100, 200 जितने भी मिलियन स्पर्म है वो जाएंगे. ठीक है. So 100 of sperms, million sperm are going into the there. Okay. So what happened? Only a single sperm which reach to the ampulla, for fertilization process. And when it reach to the ampulla, there are enzymes. There is a lysins. What the lysins? Lysins break, disperse and separate the radiata, that is corona radiata. Remember the structure of secondary oocytes. Here is the structure of corona radiata. So the lysine separates to corona radiata so that sperm can get into the secondary oocytes. So when it gets corona radiata, so what happens? A second layer is separate here. There is your zona pellucida. Your second layer is separate here. So the sperm after the head reaches to the corona radiata, the sperm go into the zona pellucida. The sperm goes into the zona pellucida with the fertilizing enzyme. So after that there is a acrosome reactions takes place. Acrosome reactions. What here? Zona pellucida process here. So here what happened? This layer is also getting a quite break due to the fertilizing enzymes. These enzymes are very important. So they are momenting कि भाई आप इधर आओ, आप अंदर जाओ, आपका अंदर काम है. वो क्या कह रहे हैं कि भाई आप अंदर जाओ, आपका काम अंदर है. क्योंकि फर्टिलाइजेशन कहाँ पे हो रहा है? इनसाइड इट. तो जोना पेलुसिडा को ब्रेक करके आगे जो आपका मेम्ब्रेन है, these are your vital membrane. This membrane process further process. This enzyme process your further process your vital membrane. Look at the diagram guys. You can understand with this. बुक में जाने दो, बुक कितना इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है. तो vital membrane में आपका स्पर्म आ गया. अब यहाँ पे क्या है? यहाँ पे हम रिएक्शन फॉर्म करें. कौन सी? एक कोन रिएक्शंस. There is a form of cone. vital membrane पे आके कोन रिएक्शन फॉर्म करेगा. अब यहाँ से है कितना? There is a direct your egg. Okay. So it will bind it and goes to the receptor. So receptor, let me tell you, it's a lysine. So lysine enzymes are there which are help for the sperm directly goes to the egg. Okay. first of all your sperm movement towards the egg. In second part we see the sperm enter into the egg. Now activation of worm, how it get activated. So when the secondary oocyte releases the egg, so it first of all releases the diploid. So there is a further meiosis process. When there is a meiosis process, suppose this is your sperm. So this is your meiosis. So there is a breakdown in a polar nucleus. Polar body means there is a single nucleus. So this single nucleus you have to survive. Single nucleus means polar N. Okay. So this polar nuclei will serve. So there is single sperm and single egg. Okay. Now fusion of egg and sperm. Got this now? Now fusion of egg. So the curving of male and female pronuclei. The male gamete and the female gamete. It's called pronuclei. Why pronuclei? दोनों के अंदर न्यूक्लियस है. एक न्यूक्लियस इसका, एक न्यूक्लियस इसका, दो मिलेंगे तभी तो तीसरा होगा ना. ओके. सो उसको क्या कहेंगे हम? सिन कैरियन. सिन मीन्स टू. I mentioned in last lecture, sin means two. Syngamy, fusion of two gametes, and the process is called karyogamy, fusion of two gametes, that is your male gametes and your female gametes. So here we see the fertilization process. Your male and female gametes get close into each other. Your embryo found in your uterus, they develop in your uterus. The moment of sperm into the egg, 50% तो वजन में डिस्टर्ब हो गया, बाकी का बच्चा आपका अंदर जाएगा. वहां से जो एक्स्ट्रा हुए बच्चे उनकी एक्टिविटी बढ़ेगी. एक्टिविटी बढ़ने के बाद वो एक्टिव होगा. 1.5 to 3 mm जो उसका रेट है वहां पे अंदर जाएगा. वो प्रोस्टाग्लैंडिन उसको पुश करेगा कि भाई आप अंदर जाओ. फिर वहां पे वजन में कितना 24 से 48 घंटा रहेगा. सेकंड यूर एंटर ऑफ स्पर्म इनटू द एग में एंटर कैसे करेगा? तो भाई 400 से मिलियन स्पर्म है, उसमें से कोई तो भी एक बच्चे का जो एम्पुला तक जाएगा, वहां से कोरोना को डिस्पेरेट करेगा. वहां से कोरोना रेडियम हट गया, आपका जोना पेलुसिडा वहां पे भी उसको डिस्पेरेट करेगा, वहां पे उसको डिसॉल्व करेगा. जोना पेलुसिडा के अंदर चला गया. उसके बाद बचा क्या तुम्हारा वाटर मेम्ब्रेन, वहां पे रिएक्शन टेक प्लेस होगी. देयर इज अ फर्टिलाइजेशन प्रोसेस. ओके. वहां पे रिएक्शन टेक प्लेस होने के बाद जो लाइसेंस एंजाइम है उसको ब्रेक करेगी कि भाई आप आगे जाओ, आप आगे जाओ फर्दर प्रोसेस के लिए. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज योर एक्टोसोम रिएक्शंस. वहां पे भी क्या होगा? एक कोड फॉर्म होगा कि जो रिएक्शन करने के लिए एक्सप्रेस होगा. फिर एक्टिवेशन होगा ओम का, फिर फ्यूजन ऑफ मेल एंड फीमेल gametes. ओके. सो हियर विल क्लोज योर फर्टिलाइजेशन प्रोसेस. So tomorrow we will see embryonic development. Thank you so much.